Our next topic is procedures. So the words like left, right, forward, backward, these all are logo commands. So these are called primitives. You can able to create a new primitive in logo. So that is called procedure. So you are creating a new word there, new command there. Okay, so a procedure is a set of command under a label. Label means a name. So under a name, you are giving a set of commands and you are using that name to get your graphic picture on the screen. So procedure helps you to divide your work into smaller sections. So you can able to create small procedures and then you can able to join that procedure to create a new one. And also once if you created a procedure, once if you defined a procedure, you can able to reuse it any number of times. Okay, so now we are going to see how to create a procedure and also a sub procedure. A few commands are there you can able to use with the procedure, that is save command, load command, pause and edit. So save command helps you to save your procedure and load command helps you to load the procedure in the computer memory. And pause command means it is print out titles. So it display a complete list of procedures stored in your computer memory. So if you give pause means it will give all the names of the procedure which and all we saved in the computer. And the final one is edit. So after creating a procedure, if you want to change anything in that procedure, in that command, you can use this edit command. So these commands are used along with the procedures. Now we are going to see how to create a procedure. So in our system, see children, first type to command. So to command is the beginning command for procedure. So to square. So square is the procedure name. So if you type this, automatically an input box will come. So type your command inside that box. So repeat 4 square FD 50 and space RT 90. So this is the command for drawing square shape. Okay, repeat command and close the square shape and then type end command. So end command is used to finish your procedure. So if you give end command, you can see automatically in the commander window square is defined. So we have created one square now. Okay, so we have created a procedure for square. So now I am going to show you how can you use this square procedure name in another procedure. Okay, so for that, to draw two squares. Okay, so at this time we are going to draw two squares. So for that I am creating one more procedure to 2 square. So input box type the first procedure name square and then I am giving only little bit space for that. For that I am giving the command pen up RT90 FD and LT90 to provide little bit space between that two squares, and again I am using the procedure name square. Okay, so the square procedure is already we created that name, and finally type end. So now you can see 2 square is defined. So type 2 square and press the enter key. So automatically you can see our 2 square is created in the screen. So only by using a name, procedure name, we can able to easily create such patterns. Okay, so this is a procedure is divided into two. So first we created a square and then by using the first procedure name we created the second one. So this is how we are using the procedure in logo.